I'm blessed and I'm happy and it's a privilege na makilala ko rin siya. Sobrang taas ng pagkatao niya just to meet me, di ba? So, parang natuwa naman ako na from US, inanap niya ako. Talagang binigyan niya ako ng time para ma-meet ko siya. Para each time na makikita yung mga outside positive day delivers, this is local shall be added unto you. Ang ibig yung mga tingnan. So second is to renew my life para maging righteous. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go. So, Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from My Gains Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat naman Delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat naman gusto magpa-call sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, and you need a speaker for your seminar, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so Saturday ngayon, at alam nyo na, Saturday, dito tayo lagi sa SN North Towers, sa paborito nating maingay na Starbucks. Ito naman kasi si Starbucks. Nahinaan yung ano niya. Anyway, so, alam nyo ngayon, ang nakakatuwa mga ka-meeting natin ngayon, isang doktor, isang architect, isang engineer, my God. So, kaya alam nyo kanina, sabi ko doon sa driver, bumaba ka kuya, magpapalit ako ng damit. Kasi I was just wearing a t-shirt kanina, tapos naka-jacket ako. Naiya naman akong bigla sa mga kliyente ko. So, buti na lang marami tayong damit sa sasakyan. So, nag-ayos, tsaka baka magalit yung aking image consultant. O yan ha, madam ha, nakaayos ako. Anyway, so ngayon, ang una nating guest. Yan. So, I'm blessed and I'm happy and it's a privilege na makilala ko rin siya. Sobrang taas ng pagkatao niya just to meet me, di ba? So, parang natuwa naman ako na from US, inanap niya ako. Talagang binigyan niya ako ng time para ma-meet ko siya. So, pakilala natin, Doc Chona Lastimosa. Hi, Doc!
Hi, good morning po sa lahat.
Yeah, di ba pretty ni Doc? Doc G meets Doc Chona. Si Doc ay Doctor of Medicine, tama ba?
Yeah, Doctor of Medicine sa Michigan.
Wow, di ba? Si Ma'am talaga. Nakakatuwa na yung mga clients ko talaga yun. Mga bigat din eh. Doc, bigyan mo sila ng ilang buwan mo na ba akong pinapanood? Or a year na, no?
No, I've been watching you for almost a year. Yep, nakita lang kita accidentally, but there's no accident in life.
Yeah.
I said to my sister, I want to meet her.
Yeah. Sabi mo naman na magaling ako.
No, that's why I'm here. I've been to everywhere. Sabi ko sa kapatid ko, gusto ko makita siya, magaling siya. I want to know, I want to learn from her. That's why all the way from Michigan, I came to see her.
Yeah, imagine that. So, nakakatuwa naman. Kaya, okay ka, nagpalit ako ng costume. Anyway, so nagkwentuhan kami ni Ma'am kanina. Madami kami na naging plan ni Ma'am. And soon, she will have her YouTube channel. Ganito mga G-Livers Ma'am, pag nag-YouTube channel ka na, so, lagi natin i-advertise sa ating YouTube channel. Sa lahat ng mga G-Livers natin, ngayon pala sinasabi ko sa inyo So, pag nilagay ko yung YouTube channel ni Ma'am, subscribe kayo okay? Okay, so, ang magiging laman ng YouTube channel ni Ma'am is about mga topics natin, Ma'am. Ano yung mga topics natin?
Could be OFW, finances, your health.
And health. Kasi si Ma'am, Doctor of Medicine. Your health, real estate,
and how to make you more beautiful at the age of this.
and how to be happy.
Happy and contented in life in spite of being single.
Yeah, I like that, contented. Yeah. How to become a single and happy. Pero kami single ni Ma'am Actually, magtatayo kami ng club. Akong president, vice president siya ng mga single. Single pero happy and contented.
Yes.
And isa pa, a little bit of love life siguro.
So you have to make a little spice.
Discuss ni Ma'am. Magdi-discuss sa YouTube channel ni Ma'am. Anyway, mga tips sa Ma'am. Anyway, so, tsaka mga iba pang issues sa buhay natin. So, yeah, abangan nyo kay Doc, okay? So, kanina may binanggit si Doc sa akin, yung dream niya, how to... Kasi naging doctor si Doc, ba? Anong year? Age?
35
you started.
Yeah.
You started your journey, okay? So, may sinabi kasi kanina si Doc, sabi niya, follow your heart. So, sa lahat ng mga delivers natin ngayon, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, meron ako isang vlog, the power to create. Diba, you have the power to create the life that you like. you have the power to create yung buhay na gusto mo. And sabi ko sa kanila doon, sabi ko, you go back to your dreams. You go back to that thing na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo.
No matter what.
Yeah, diyan ka sasaya eh. So, yun ang ginawa ni ma'am dito. Dok, kwento mga konti. Kasi you're a nurse. Parang yung gano'n. How did you go back to your dreams? Yan. So, sige, Dok.
Years ago, I went back.
The camera is yours.
I went
Practice
to-
mo yan, Dok, sa vlog mo.
Punta ako sa States, New York. I was 21.
21.
I went there as a nurse.
Okay.
Then after 5 years, I have a baby. Then I went to Michigan as the nurse. Then I got tired. I said I want to follow my heart. So I packed up. I gave up everything. Went back to Far Eastern University. And
You're already working there as
yeah,
nurse.
I work as a nurse.
How
New
many
York.
years ka ng nurse na, no?
I was a nurse for 10 years.
10 years na doon, ha?
Yes.
Imagine that, 10 years, ha? Pero hindi makali si ma'am, eh. Parang there's a voice na gusto mo.
Then there's a voice and there's always in my heart that I want to follow my dream. Despite I'm earning money already,
Yeah.
I said,
Sa US, you to be a nurse.
yes, I'm earning money. But I said, deep inside, I want to follow my heart. In spite of my age, I still follow it. And I have,
So you went back here. And you, sabi mo kanina, you give up everything. You sell.
I sell my house, I sell my car, everything in my life. I decided because I really want to follow my heart.
Then you enrolled in.
Then I enrolled in Far Eastern University, which I have
FEU.
FEU. I was there for another 4 years. It was a struggle being out of school for 10 years.
Yeah, you were already 30 then.
Yes, 36.
So you're the
I'm the professor. Everybody thought I'm a professor from the US.
Oh yeah. So I can imagine that. So they're calling you ma'am then.
They're calling me, oh.
Because you came from US.
I came
and
from
with the
US.
personality. no?
Yes.
So na-shock sila.
Sabi niya, oh, I thought, ma'am, kala ko,
Ikaw yung professor.
Ikaw professor eh. Sabi ko, no.
So I imagine your classmates. So lahat sila na nagulan.
Lahat sila nagulat. Even the teachers are nagulat because I'm a nurse coming back to the Philippines to study medicine, and during that time, all doctors are going for nursing.
Yeah. Kasi that's, parang yun yung peak ng nursing career,
Yes.
di ba? So, nakita ko nga yung mga commentary na, doctor ka na, nurse ka pa.
Yes.
So you didn't follow the trend. Instead, you follow your heart.
I
Follow the trend.
Follow
Your heart, okay?
Follow my heart.
Pwede ko ilagay ko sa profile mo.
Yes.
Don't follow the trend, follow your heart.
Follow your heart, and
So-
you will never regret it. You will
I like
always
that.
be
I
happy.
like that. I follow my heart. That's why I resigned.
Follow your heart.
Okay, ganito ma'am. So you started here with on your own,
Yes.
financially and everything.
I'm my own.
How's your family did your family support?
No,
The reaction of everyone.
everyone. So, like anyone, kahit anong culture or race mo, sometimes they're not happy for you. They always say, I cannot make it. I can only be a nurse. I will never be a doctor. But I don't believe in it. As long as you have a dream, follow it. Then what I did, I have a small money. I rented a big apartment in Fairview.
Okay.
Third floor is mine, the second floor is for the boarders, and the first floor I did the Xerox copy
So you
machine
mean you
business.
rented then the whole building?
Yes, whole building.
So that you can earn money.
Yes.
That's the strategy, di ba? Strategy, okay.
I have a
So that's
laundry and Xerox machine, and that's how I live.
So, this is where did you get that entrepreneurial mind?
I think business runs in our family.
Okay,
I
alright.
always do that.
Okay, so that's how you survive.
I had to survive.
Then after that, so you finished it at the age of
Finished at almost 44.
44. Then you went back to US.
Then I went back to US.
What happened? You passed the board exam.
I have to take 3 board, which is like I'm starting all over again. It's really hard. I thought I will never make it, but God is there all the time.
Yes.
I said to God, God, you asked me to go home. Please help me to pass everything, all my struggle. It's not an easy, but if you study hard, work hard, and God will always be there for you.
Wow. Alright, so, okay. So now, ma'am, to make it short, to cut the story short, so you're a doctor now and you went back to US as a doctor.
Yes, I'm a
Not
doctor.
as a nurse.
As a nurse.
Ano ba yung inayulo sa nursing?
There's nothing wrong with being a nurse.
I mean,
In fact,
it's just that you like to become a doctor.
I like that's what I want. I have no regret being a nurse because it's my stepping stone. It helped me to be the other end. I know how it feels to be a nurse, and I know how it feels to be a doctor. And I like both.
Oh, you enjoy po.
Yes, I enjoy both. The only thing is, I want to follow my heart.
Okay. Alright, so now, your present status now, you're still working in the US.
I'm still working in the US as a family medicine in Henry Ford Hospital.
Wow.
And I never thought I will make it. But the
Yeah.
only thing is follow your heart and have a dream.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so that's about your profession. Now, when it comes to finances naman, ma'am, so how do you, kasi kanina, mahaba na yung usap namin nila, ma'am, marami na kami na ilang chapters na yung napag-usapan natin kasi parehong G ako, nickname yung ma'am Gigi din.
Gigi, yeah.
Yeah, pareho kami doctor, di ba? Though I'm a doctor of law, so isa man lang gusto magpa-check up sa akin, kaya ma'am na lang. So, pag-usapan din namin yung preparation niya rin sa retirement and how to manage finances. You have your financial advisor there.
I do.
Yeah.
Because somebody told me that I'm only a doctor, I cannot do the other finance.
Yeah, let us take care of your money, okay? Kasi iba ma'am, pag nagpa-call sa akin, Doc, sayang namin babae. But we have our own expertise, different expertise.
Everybody.
Yeah. So si ma'am ngayon is in preparation. So sa lahat mo OFW working abroad, so don't forget na magre-retire kayo. Don't forget that you're getting old, right?
Yes, you have to prepare for that. Nobody will help you.
Yes.
Don't rely on anybody. It's all your own doing.
Don't rely on everybody, okay? So, on your own, talaga naman, at the end of the day, mag-isa ka lang eh.
At the end of the day, it doesn't matter even if you're daughter or anak mo, no. It should be you.
It's always me.
And if someday they help you, it's a plus, it's a bonus.
Yeah. Right, like that. Okay. So, si ma'am, sinabayan na niya ng pag-tip na real estate. You have here, right? Hindi, pero yung sinimulan mo. Nagka-problem kasi. Get mo kasi, when you do that, make sure na it's in your name, you process everything. Kasi may mga lessons si ma'am, pero hindi discuss niya na lang sa YouTube channel niya. Pero sa atin, so, but it's still ma'am, you're venturing.
Yes, I do.
And you have business partnerships.
I have business partnership.
You have your business here.
I have business here.
And there.
I have business here and I have business there. So I'm trying.
So at least si ma'am, yung ang ganda ng package si ma'am eh. So, a doctor, single but happy and contented. She has financial, everything is set. So, wala na kami pinag-usapan kanina kasi may advisor na siya dun eh. So, sabi ko, sige, yaman na advisor yung problema.
I want to meet her, really.
She just wanted to see me and she'll be doing her own.
She's good. I'm impressed with her. That's why I said I want to meet her. In spite of my busy schedule,
Yeah.
I find time before I fly going back home.
Yeah, she's coming back to US tomorrow.
Yes.
Right? So, ako yung pang-finale ni ma'am. Okay? The last person. Yung iba naman ma'am, gusto nila, I'll be the first person na makita. Ma'am, yung iba pag galing Korea, Japan, from airport. So, magkita kami sa Shangri-La, sa Starbucks. So, Doc, ikaw muna kung sumakusap. Maraming ganun eh. So, it's either ako yung first or yung last.
Because I have to do mission.
Yeah, she has
I have medical mission every year. And
Yeah.
I went to Boracay a couple of days ago.
Ma'am, one time, recipient mo naman kami yung aking, meron kasi akong group na sinusuporta.
Sure, I can.
Okay, next year
Yes, next
birthday
year.
ko next year.
Yeah, birthday ko
Alright.
din.
Birthday month ni ma'am eh. So, mag-mission tayo ma'am.
Yes, yeah, let me know. I will. I'm really willing. Yep.
Sana ngayon nahabol kita. No?
Yes.
Hindi ka na ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka babalik ng June? Sayang kasi meron ako mga adult
Next
na,
year, I will.
na next year ma'am.
Even some, I can give you some medicine.
Wow. Mabait naman. Ano yung mga delivers ko? Sabi nila, Dok, magaling kayo na. Ano mo? At tayo gusto kong dito. Padadala kita. Sabi ko, hindi. Kalma lang kayo. Kalma lang kayo, okay? But anyway, so, thank you, Doc. Thank
No, maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat ako. Nakita kita, nakilala kita, and she look better in person.
Thank you. Yung iba naman isang YouTube, yung isang kinulis ko, sabi niya, Dok, mas maganda ka sa YouTube. Sabi ko, sige sa YouTube.
But you know, beauty is only on the eyes of the beholder.
But anyway, so, thank you, Doc. Thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. And ma'am, let's go.